Exercise 7.4, first one. If NC8 equal to NC2, find the NC2. That is the first question. NC8 is equal to NC2. We have to find the value of NC2. We know one formula. If NCA equal to NCB, then A is equal to B or A plus B equal to N. So using that formula, here 8 is not equal to 2. NC8 equal to NC2, but 8 is not equal to 2, that we know. Therefore, N equal to 8 plus 2, A plus B equal to N. Therefore, N equal to 8 plus 2, that is 10. So value of N is 10. So we want to find the NC2. So NC2 equal to, in the place of N substitute 10, 10C2. That is equal to, how to find the value of 10C2? 10C2 equal to 10 into 9 divided by 1 into 2. See, when we find permutations, that is 10P2. How we find 10P2? 10 into 9. Here there is 2, so 2 numbers we have to multiply. 10 into 10 minus 1 into like that. 2 numbers. Here 2, so only 2 numbers you have to multiply. In the case of combination, you have to divide by 10C2. That is 10 into 9 divided by, this number is 2. So by divide by 2 factorial, that is 1 into 2. So divide by 1 into 2, that will be the 10C2, value of 10C2. So that is equal to, here 5. 5 into 9, 45. So NC2 equal to 45. That is the first one. Now see second one. If 2NC3 is to NC3 equal to 12 is to 1, find the N. 2NC3 is to means divided by NC3 equal to 12 is to 1, that is 12 by 1. So is to ratio means divided by. So 2NC3 divided by NC3 equal to 12 by 1. Now 2NC3, what is 2NC3? 2N into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by, see 10C3. How we find 10C3? 10 into 9 into 8. So 10 into 10 minus 1 into like that 3 numbers. Here 3. Therefore 3 numbers we have to multiply. Divided by 1 into up to 3 factor, up to 3. 1 into 2 into 3. That is 3 factorial. Similarly here 2NC3. How we can find 2NC3? 10C3 is 1 into 2 into 3. This is 10C3. Like that 2NC3. 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. That is 2NC3. 2n into, see 10 into 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 2. Like the 3 numbers we have to multiply. Here 3. Therefore 3 numbers. 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2. 3 numbers we have to multiply. Divided by 3 factorial. That is 1 into 2 into 3. That is 2NC3. Divided by NC3. Similarly, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. 3 numbers we have to multiply. Divided by this 3 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 12 divided by 1. So when we multiply by the reciprocal, this 1 into 2 into 3 will be cancelled. So what we get? So 2n into 2n minus 1 into, from this 2n minus 2 we can take 2 common. So what we get? 2 into n minus 1 divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to 12 divided by 1. So when we simplify, this is cancelled, and from this we take 2 common. So here 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2 into n minus 1 divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, that is equal to 12 by 1. Now we want to find the n. So here there is here all multiplication, product. So we can cancel n minus 1, n minus 1. Here 2n means 2 into n. So then also that n can be cancelled. So n we can cancel. So what is remaining? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2n minus 1. Then cross multiply into 1 equal to n minus 2 into 12. 12 into n minus 2. So here 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2n minus 1 into 1 equal to 12 into n minus 2. Now simplify here. 12, 4 we can cancel, we can write 3 here. Bracket outside. So into 4 when you take that side, 12 by 4 that is 3. Now 2n minus 1 equal to 3 into n, 3n minus 6. So 2n we can take this side, minus 6 we can take this side. 6 minus 1 equal to 3n minus 2n. So n equal to 5. So we get n equal to 5. So second question, second part you can do same way. Now see the third question. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So when you consider a circle, what do you mean by chord? A chord is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So join 2 points of the circle. Suppose this is A, this is B. So if you join 2 points of the circle, we get the chord. So here the question is how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on the circle. So you consider only 21 points on the circle. A, B, C like that. There are 21 points on the, you have to consider 21 points on the circle. Question is how many chords can be drawn through 21 points, through 21 points on the circle. So using these 21 points, how many chords can be drawn? When you join 2 points, any 2 points on the circle, you will get a chord. So from 21 points, how many ways we can select 2 points? That is the answer. How many ways? When you choose one, if you choose 2 points, so joining those 2 points, we get a chord. So how many chords can be drawn means how many ways we can select 2 points from these 21 points. That is same as 21C2. Number of combinations of 21 objects taken 2 at a time. From 21, how many ways we can select 2? Combination of 2. So that is same as the answer is the number of chords equal to 21C2. That means number of combinations of 21 objects taken 2 at a time. Number of combinations of 21 points taken 2 at a time. That is equal to, so it is the number of chords. So that is equal to, find the value of 21C2. That is 21 into 20. See here there is 2. It is 2. So only 2 numbers we have to multiply. 21 into 2, 21 into 20 divided by this 2. 2 factorial. That is 1 into 2. Divided by 1 into 2. So cancelling this we get 10 into 21. That is equal to 210. So 210 chords can be drawn through 21 points on the circle. That is the answer. Okay.